This is Gerald Harris with SaveHouses.org. I wanted to go ahead and give you a tip. These are for people who are interested in living rent and mortgage free. Okay, this is a little creative, but this is what you do. You contact your local real estate agent and you have him or her do research in an area where you would like to live in. Okay, what you don't want is you don't want an ultra expensive property and you don't want an incredibly cheap property. What you want is to look for either a duplex or a triplex in your area of interest. And what you do is this: do a little bit of research, see what those units rent for. So for example, if you get a duplex, let's say out here in like the Charlotte, North Carolina area, you can go ahead and get yourself a duplex, depending on the area, for like $75,000. Just depends on the location. Okay, you may be able to get one for $60,000. What you do is find out what each unit is going to rent for. So let's say, for instance, you get a duplex and ultimately you settle on $70,000. Okay, you go ahead and you buy it. Principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Duplex is renting for $70,000. Each side is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath duplex in a fairly decent area out here in Charlotte. What you do is you get somebody to go ahead, and obviously you go ahead and you screen them. You make sure that they have decent credit, decent income. You screen them and you rent out the other side of the duplex. Let's say your monthly mortgage payment is, let's say it's $700 a month. And that's for your whole duplex. So when you go ahead and you move into one side of the duplex, you move in, you get all situated, everything, you rent out the other side for $750 a month. Okay, that monthly mortgage will go ahead and pay and cover your entire mortgage balance. That monthly payment, that monthly rent, will go ahead and pay your entire mortgage balance. So if you're renting, if you go ahead and you get one and you rent out one side of that duplex for $750 a month, you live in the other side and your monthly mortgage payment is $700 a month, what you have done is create a situation where you are living for free. Okay, you don't pay a monthly mortgage payment. In other words, the mortgage payment that you do pay is $700, but you're getting $750 in rent on that one side. So essentially what you're doing is you're renting, you're living for free. Something to think about. Now, let's say, for instance, you get a triplex. Let's say, for instance, you get a triplex for $100,000. Each unit in the triplex, let's give you another scenario. Let's say you get $100,000. Let's say, for instance, your monthly mortgage payment is $950 a month. You rent out 2 of the units for $650 each. Okay, that is $1,300 a month that you have coming in rental income, but your monthly mortgage payment is $950 a month. You kind of catch my drift? So after you pay your monthly mortgage payment, you're putting a little money back into your pocket each and every month and still living rent free. Something to think about for you, for people out there who are either retired or struggling financially. You don't have to struggle. You just got to really just think about and evaluate your situation and make a decision to go ahead and get yourself some units. So this is my tip for today. My name is Gerald Harris with SaveHouses.org. Have a good day.